This is one of our great jobs for a company called Enterprise Car Rentals and Enterprise Truck Rentals, a commercial branch of their division of truck rentals. Their floor was an area that needed a lot of servicing and washing, and so the floor was actually really beat up and they needed more traction on the floor. So we got called in to do a specialty cut of creating texture in the floor, which you can't really see from the camera, but the floor received a whole bunch of texture on it to create traction and a lot more safety in their general area. We also put down a special sealer and then broadcasted a grip system into the sealer, and it's perfect for their workshop back of house floor area. It's created a sanitary area. It's created both the concrete and the sealer have texture, which just increase a lot of safety, increase traction, make it easy to clean up and easy to maintain the area for presentation, as well as that most important OSHA regulation for anti-slip traction installation. So if you have a project that looks like this or needs these requirements, please give us a call. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and watch our other videos. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching.